Hi lovelies, how you all doing? Welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare my solid baby food. Okay, here I have my rice. I have washed it very well, several to remove every dirt and dust in it. Okay, it's severely washed. Here I have my avocado. I also wash it. It's ripe. Here I have my sweet corn. I'm preparing it with sweet corn. And I have my chicken over here. As you can see, I've washed it very well and removed the skin. Like I told you before, if you are cooking with meat or fish, you have to remove the pack once your baby is under 1 year. But if it's more than 1 year, you can use the add the skin, no problem. So I've been adding my water here to cook the rice and the meat. I'm adding my rice. Now I've washed it several. I'm now adding my chicken. Also washed with salt. I will leave it to cook. Okay, so here is almost getting cooked and dry. I will now add in my sweet corn to cook together with it. You know, it's almost, the sweet corn is very soft. It's cooked already, so but I will leave it to cook with them so it will get hot too. Here I'll be cutting my avocado. I will remove the spoiled area. As you can see, it's overripe, so I will remove the spoiled area and cut other ones to use it for the food. I'm thanking all my returning followers. I thank you all, and I'm welcoming my new followers with a welcoming kiss. Thank you all. I love you guys. Please continue sharing, commenting, and following. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be getting notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so here my food is all well cooked and done. As you can see, it's all well cooked. It has dried. There's no water in it again. I will now leave it to cool before blending it. So I'll be adding it in my blender now. It's now cool. If you don't have blender, you can mash it with potato masher or spoon and fork. Mash it very well. Before matching, add your avocado and breast milk or baby formula before matching it. Okay, I'm now adding my avocado. As you can see, it's already turning black because it's overripe. I'm adding my milk too, and I will blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, our baby food is all well blended. I will now transfer it in a plate. You can transfer it in your baby feeding bowl to anyone. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Try it for your baby. Okay, bye.